So here is the OPMG daily chart, and I got quite a few questions on this one. Yesterday, just wasn't able to get to it, but here we are today. A lot of people were sending me a message today. I don't want to say freaking out, but they were a little worried. And depending on what your strategy is, that's going to kind of dictate how I answer that question. If you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up here or around here, then yeah, you should probably already be out. But if you're in this as a longer term trader or a swing trader, the chart is still okay. And I'll explain why that is and what we want to see going forward. So this video is going to be geared more towards the swing traders and so forth. Because like I said, if you're a day trader and you bought it up here somewhere, then yeah, you should already be out. And if you're still in, then that would imply that you probably have broken some of your stop loss rules. But anyways, so what do we want to see from an overall chart perspective? In terms of price action and so forth. Well, the first thing to point out and what we're going to want to watch is this purple line right here. Yesterday was a good day. This is the 50-day simple moving average, and you can see that not only did the price break above it yesterday, cruised above it, and then closed well above it. So this was a previous level of resistance, but because the price closed above it yesterday, it has now become a support level. So this support level being the 50-day simple moving average right now, it is valued at 0.013, is going to be the first level of support that we want to see hold. The other support level is what I'll call the must hold level, meaning kind of no excuses, this level needs to hold, and that's going to be this trend line right here. So I'm going to get this changed to green to represent support, make it extra thick since this is a very key level. Now why is this level so important? Well, the name of the game is uptrends. As long as a chart is in an uptrend, then you should be making money. And even if the price were to break and close below the 50-day but come down here, find support and head back up, obviously this set of lows is higher than this set, which is higher than this set, which is higher than down here, and that's how we draw the uptrend line. Just connect those lows. So that's why it's so important for charts to put in higher lows, because that allows these uptrends to take place. So medium term, the chart is still in a downtrend based on this moving average here, but short term, definitely in an uptrend, and all longer term uptrends have to start in the short term. So when you see this sort of action here happening, it definitely shows that the uptrend is taking shape, and as long as these higher lows continue to happen, then the uptrend is just going to grow stronger and stronger, and eventually these moving averages such as the 50-day will level out and then curve upwards, and that's what you want to see. So again, the two levels of support that we want to see hold, ideally the 50-day simple moving average here hold, but if that doesn't, then we're going to want to see this trend line here. In terms of resistance levels, really there's two. The high of today, which was at 0.0155, and then this one yesterday where the profit taker stepped in up at 0.018. But to be honest, right now the key thing here is how is this going to consolidate. If the price does continue to pull back or go sideways, we want to see volume drop. So keep your eye on that. The less volume, the better when the price is consolidating. So at this point in time, I'm just curious to see how it's going to react, whether or not the 50-day can hold, and if it can't, then see how the price reacts if it does come down here and test that. But if it does recover, to keep your eye on these two levels of resistance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was OPMG. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.